You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. Leader now, just nominated of Iran. If you want to learn more Persian names, stay tuned, there are more videos for you. Persian, Iranian, Mojtaba Khamenei. Mojtaba, English pronunciation, it's usually said as Khamenei, or some say it as Khamenei as well, but it's more Khamenei. Mojtaba Khamenei. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.